So to create a subdomain on your website where you can host other contents like your blog or maybe a different part of the website is pretty simple. Just once you are on your cpanel, as you can see on my screen here, you have to scroll down to the section where you have the domains. This area where you have domains, as you can see here, that is where we need to go. Then under it we go to subdomains. Click on subdomains. Once we click on subdomains, this interface will come up. You can see it says a subdomain is a subsection of your website that can exist as a new website without a new domain name. Use subdomain to create memorable URLs for different content areas of your site, like the blog, maybe an academy, a learning area, a portal. For instance, a school. Now if it's a school, www.yourschool.com, it could be maybe portal.yourschoolname.com. So to do that, here it says create a subdomain. You just need to enter that other directory that you want to create. For instance, maybe like in this case now I'm creating WordPress class. The domain name is storelink.com.ng, as you can see here. So then if we are creating WordPress class, it will now be WordPress class.storelink.com.ng. You understand now? So that is it. Once you are done, you automatically, once you click here, it will bring out that name. So you just hit create. Let's go ahead and hit create, and quickly in few seconds, yes, successful. So success, WordPress class.storelink.com.ng has been created, and it's that simple. So with that, now when you are about to create your new WordPress, maybe a WordPress installation, you can now choose this subdomain and install on it. That's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can get notification for all subsequent tutorials that I will be releasing on this channel. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.